Hello, today we will guide you through how to update Microsoft PowerPoint 2007. To begin, open the PowerPoint app on your computer. Make sure the program is fully loaded before moving on, so all menu options are visible and responsive. If PowerPoint opens to a recent presentation, that is perfectly fine. You do not need to create a new file or open an existing one just to continue with the update process. Once PowerPoint is open, look to the top left corner of the window and click on File. This will take you to PowerPoint's main Backstage view, where you can access settings, account information, and update options. If you are not familiar with this area, take a moment to notice that this section is where many administrative controls for the app are located. After that, look toward the lower left side of the menu and click on Account. This section shows information related to your Office installation, including product details and available update settings. Depending on your screen size or version layout, the wording and placement may appear slightly different, but you should still be able to find the account area near the bottom of the left-hand menu. In the Account section, find the area labeled Microsoft 365 and Office Updates, then click on it. This is where PowerPoint checks for available updates and manages update behavior for Office apps. Opening this section helps you confirm whether updates are available and gives you access to the command needed to start the process manually. Next, click on Update Now. Once you select this option, Microsoft Office will begin checking for updates, and if any are available, it will start downloading and installing them. During this time, it is a good idea to keep PowerPoint open unless you are prompted otherwise. In some cases, the app may briefly pause, restart, or ask you to close Office programs so the update can finish properly. Allow the update process to complete fully. The amount of time this takes can vary depending on your internet speed and the size of the update. If prompted, follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the installation. After the update is complete, reopening PowerPoint can help confirm that everything installed successfully. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can make sure PowerPoint is up to date with the latest improvements, fixes, and performance updates.